Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android version and whether you have root access, because the method changes. Once done, back up your system. You may restore if something goes wrong. Enable developer options and USB debugging and allow installs from unknown sources so the tools can run. Then download the iOS emoji font package and the installer matching your situation. Magisk module for rooted devices or Z font, non-root, app. This gets you into the first actionable step immediately. You now install the font itself. If rooted, open Magisk, flash the iOS emoji module, and reboot to let system fonts update. If you are non-root, install Z font, connect via ADB when prompted, and grant the font install permission. Then select and apply the iOS emoji package from inside Z font. Make sure to set Gboard to use the system emoji style. Once applied, restart Gboard or your phone so the keyboard picks up the new emoji glyphs. Finish by testing emojis in multiple apps. Note that some apps like Twitter or Facebook may use their own emoji set, so you won't see iOS glyphs there. If emojis don't appear system-wide, clear Gboard cache and data and restart the phone. If that fails, reinstall Gboard. For rooted installs, ensure no other emoji modules conflict and reboot after disabling them. If anything breaks, restore your backup or uninstall the font module to return to the previous state.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.